Why UAW workers are striking at a Ford supplier in Michigan, Panasonic plans to ramp up North American battery cell production, and where BMW is adding an electric production line. Good morning, I'm Kristen Strakalaitis. Welcome to First Shift. More on those stories in a moment, but first, Kia is eyeing a factory expansion in Mexico, according to a governor in the state. In a Facebook post made by the Nuevo Leon governor, company officials have expressed interest in investing $1 billion to upgrade Kia's factory near Monterrey to produce EVs. If the plans follow through, the electric addition to Kia's Mexico plant would speed up the localization of product in North America. Parent company Hyundai Motor Group would benefit from the plant expansion as well. Over 150 UAW workers at a Ford supplying plant in Michigan are on strike. According to a UAW statement, they have been on strike since Wednesday because of concerns about health and safety issues at the plant and management's disciplinary practices. The union said it has filed unfair labor practice charges accusing the company of bad faith bargaining. A spokesperson for the Constellium Automotive plant says negotiations should resume soon and it doesn't anticipate any disruption in production. Constellium produces aluminum structures and crash management systems for a number of Ford vehicles. As EV production increases, Panasonic is considering expansion in North America. The company aims to ramp up production of battery cells for electric vehicles by building at least 2 new factories in North America by 2030. Panasonic also wants to boost its auto battery capacity to 200 gigawatt hours per year by March 2031. The company's CEO says a specific location in North America has not been determined. BMW may start producing its new class of EVs in China and Europe by 2026. If BMW's plans go through, its production chief said it would require an investment of around 1.3 billion euros. The automaker says it expects to release its new class of EVs in 2025, and it would also produce the required high-voltage batteries in China. Today is an exciting day for Toyota as it debuts its all-new 2024 Tacoma in Hawaii. The automaker says the retooled Tacoma represents an opportunity for Toyota to scale both the advancements and the lessons learned from the recent launches of the redesigned full-size Tundra pickup and Sequoia SUV. It will come standard with a turbocharged 2.4-liter engine that produces up to 278 horsepower and 317 pounds-feet of torque. Toyota has been producing the Toyota Tacoma since 1995, and the first-generation Toyota Tacoma was distributed during 1995 through 2004. For more on Toyota's latest Tacoma, head over to our website, autonews.com. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to autonews.com for more news, and have a great day. We'll see you next time.